Our skeleton system. Objectives to know about the facts of our skeleton. What is skeleton? Skeleton is a framework of bones. It gives shape and support to our body. It protects the internal and delicate organs of the human body. It also helps in the movement of human body with the help of bones and muscles. A child has more number of bones rather than an adult human being. It has 300 for child and 206 for an adult. The reason is that when the child grows up, the bones fuses with each other. हड्डियाँ आपस में जुड़ जाती हैं. Let we study the all parts of the skeleton. There are 5: skull, ribs, girdle, and the last one, vertebral column. What is skull? It has 22 bones, and in which 8 bones are flat and interlocked with each other to give shape to the head, and the 14 bones that give shape to the face and helps to protect our sense organ: eyes for sight, ear for hearing, nose for smell, and tongue for taste. These are the sense organ. Only the lower jaw can move, so we are saying that it is a movable joint, and rest are called fixed joints. There are 12 pairs of curved bones make rib cage, and this rib cage is connected to the breastbone that is called sternum. The sternum is a flat bone in the middle of this rib cage. The 2 ribs are floating in the ribs because these are not attached to the breastbone, and the function of rib cage is to the protection of heart and legs. This is about the ribs. The next is that what is the function of the rib cage? Though it protects the heart and lungs. There are 2 types of limbs in our body: forelimbs, arms, and hind limbs, legs. So let me go through what are these. First one, the forelimbs. It has 1 pair of arms, each has 3 bones. Upper arm has 1 bone called humerus, and the lower bone are radius and ulna. They are mixed with each other. They are attached. And the hind limbs, these are in our legs, in which we have 3 bones also. The femur, the longest bone of our body, is the thigh bone, and the lower leg has the 2 bones, tibia and fibula, and ankle and toes also have many little bones. There are 2 types of girdles found in our body. What are these? The shoulder girdle and the hip girdle. And the function of these girdles are to attach our limbs inside in which hind limbs are attached to the pelvic and the shoulder is to the collarbone. And the pelvic girdle helps us to protect the kidneys and the urinary bladder of our body. These also are called the dedicated organs of human body. The next is, what is vertebral column? The vertebral column is made up of 33 small ring-shaped bones. Those are attached with each other called vertebrae. It runs from the base of the skull up to the hip region. So, a type of tissue, cartilage, is present in between most of the vertebrae, और ये cushion के जैसे काम करता है, and we are saying it is a shock absorber. Out of the 33 vertebrae, the first 7 are attached in our neck